Good afternoon, friends. I am Prasansingh B. Hajeri, Assistant Professor and Head of the Department, Political Science, Government First Grade Women's College, Bailahongala, District Belagavi, Karnataka. And today I am going to present a topic on technology and smartphone apps as Corona warriors. This is my topic. Today, the frontline warriors and heroes of the nation are doctors, medical staff, local police and private security guards and refugee collectors. With all of these, technology and smartphone apps help us to track and control on the pandemic. And my first slide is apps in the time of pandemic. Coronavirus, the COVID-19 we all know as that, it has presented a threat to mankind. Pandemic has changed the lifestyle. Present scenario relies on technology for survival and cumulative measures. Since the outbreak of COVID-19, the world has seen birth of many new websites and mobile apps to generate awareness. Some of them have been used to track and monitor the spread of this pandemic COVID-19. Let's see which have made an impact on the present situation. Which are the apps and technology or websites in this time of pandemic? And third one is technology and smartphone apps. This technology and smartphone apps are playing a big role in the response to the COVID-19 pandemic. These apps are being used to track infected people, issue self-quarantine guidelines, provide latest communication to the citizens, and ease the burden of healthcare staff. This is the technology and smartphone apps. And next is the best smartphone apps in the world. And the first one is Trace Together. The Trace Together is the popular smartphone app that can be downloaded by anyone with a Singapore mobile number. And this app is Bluetooth enabled smartphone app. And second one is COVID Watch. This COVID Watch application developed in collaboration with Stanford University. The app empowers people to protect themselves and their communities without the need of surrendering the privacy. This is the COVID Watch app. And third one is Humanistic app. This Humanistic smartphone application launched by the Health Ministry of Israel. The app uses contact tracing to contain the spread of deadly contagion, and the app allows users to know if in the past 15 days they were in which place or they are tracking from one place to another place. This is the Humanistic from Israel. And fourth one is the Corona Data Spende. The Corona Data Spende app is German smart watch app. This is not a smartphone app. This is smart watch app. It monitors the spread of coronavirus by collecting crucial signs, pulse rate, body temperature, and sleep patterns from volunteers wearing the smartwatch or a fitness tracker. This is the German smartwatch app. This is called Corona Data Spende. This is the fourth one. And fifth one is our Indian app, that is Arogya Setu. Within just 13 days of its launch, Arogya Setu has been downloaded by more than 50 million users and has become the world's most downloaded app and to track COVID-19. The app has been developed by the Indian Ministry of Electronics and Information Technology. to notify users if they have crossed the paths with someone who has been diagnosed positive. Tracking is done via Bluetooth and location generated graph, that is called we are known as GPS also. So this is the Arogya Setu app from India. This is the fifth one in the world. And next one, sixth one is COVID Symptom Tracker app. COVID Symptom Tracker app has been designed by the doctors and researchers at the King's College London and St. Thomas Hospitals London in the partnership with the primary healthcare company called Zoo Global. These are the designers of this COVID Symptom Tracker app. This app studies the symptom of the virus for advanced research and also helps track how it spreads. This is the sixth position. This is in the sixth position. And seventh one is NHS smartphone app. NHS is National Healthcare System. This app belongs to England. The contact tracing app currently being developed by the NHS National Health Service, which is the publicly funded from England, and the app is being designed for NHSX. This is the seventh one smartphone app, NHS. And next one, eighth one is Let's Beat COVID. Let's Beat COVID app. This is net designed to allow members of the public to complete a short survey about their health and exposure to COVID-19 in order that health service can save more lives. This is Let's Beat COVID-19 app. And ninth one is Peduli Lindungi. This smartphone app is developed by Indonesian Communication and Information Ministry of Indonesia, along with the state-owned enterprises SOES Ministry, and app enables users to complicated data related to the spread of COVID-19 in their communities and help boost the government efforts. This is Peduli Lindungi by Indonesia. This is in ninth place. And the last one, 10th one is Quarwanta Domowa. Poland has been one of the first Western countries to roll out the smartphone app that collects reams of personal information, including people's location and digital photos, in its fight to combat the pandemic. This is Quarwanta Domowa. This is from Poland. These are the top 10 smartphone apps from the world. These are the best smartphone apps in the world, and these apps around the world helps to aware and prevent the pandemic Corona COVID-19 virus. Next one is top Indian apps to fight COVID-19. The world's battle against the novel coronavirus pandemic has been a heavy reliance on technology. From governments, healthcare organizations, non-profit to private enterprises, almost everyone is using technology in some form or the other to beat this unknown enemy. India is the second most populated country in the world, is no exception. Both central and state governments, along with private players, have built several mobile apps to respond to the pandemic, limit the cases, and assist people with managing health, day-to-day requirements, and the essential needs. So, for these cause, the Indian apps to fight with COVID-19 or Corona. And the first one is the world fifth and India's first famous app is Arogya Setu. The Arogya Setu app, developed by the Government of India, connects people with essential health service. The app was launched on April 2nd, 2020. It relies primarily on location data generated through GPS and Bluetooth to trace the places where the user visited. After referencing these information with the Indian Council of Medical Research, that means ICMR, the ICMR data on positive cases, the app alerts the user if he or she has or is likely to cross paths with an infected person. This is the first one, the Arogya Setu app. And second one, COVID-19 feedback. This app has been developed by the Indian Ministry of Electronics and Information Technology. This has designed to act like a survey tool to gather information from users about any treatment or test they may have undergone in recent past. Through this data, the government is working on identifying the worst affected areas and enhancing testing facilities. This is COVID-19 feedback app, the second one. And the third one is My Government app. This Government of India app was designed to act as citizen engagement platform for direct citizen participation in governance. Through this app, the citizen could share their ideas, comments, and create suggestions with the central ministries and associated organizations. But in the present scenario, the wake of COVID-19 outbreak, the government has introduced a new section of the MyGov app. This is MyGov or My Government app from Government of India. This one is the third one. And next one is Sahyoga app. The Indian National Mapping Agency or India's National Mapping Agency or Survey of India has developed the Sahyoga app, which will complement Arogya Setu to meet contact tracing, public awareness and self-assessment objectives. The app collects the data at the state level and geotags it is so that the mapping agency can analyze the information as database grows. This is Sahyoga app for fourth one. And next one is COVID-19 Quarantine Monitor. This COVID-19 Quarantine Monitor app belongs to Tamil Nadu. The Tamil Nadu state government, in partnership with private players, has developed this app. Citizens under home quarantine don't violate official guidelines. This is the main theme of this COVID-19 Quarantine Monitor app. A person needs to have a Tamil Nadu-registered mobile number to use this app. Okay, this is only belongs to the Tamilians or Tamil Nadu mobile numbers only. This is the fifth one. And sixth one is the COVA, the Corona Virus Alert app. It is called as COVA. This COVA or Coronavirus Alert app has been designed and developed by Government of Punjab to provide citizens preventive care information and other government advisories. It provides the government with a platform to share orders and travel instructions. This belongs to Punjab government and advisories. The COVA app. This is the sixth one. And next, seventh one is Test Yourself Goa. The Test Yourself Goa app is developed by Goa Ministry of Health in collaboration with Innovator. It states that user can self-diagnose COVID-19 symptoms after downloading the app. The Test Yourself Goa was India's first automated self-evaluation assessment to tackle the virus. This is the first smartphone app of India also. This one is seventh one, Test Yourself Goa, from Goa. And eighth one is Mahakavach. Mahakavach is known as देश की सुरक्षा हमारे हाथ में. This state government of Maharashtra has announced the launch of Mahakavach, a smartphone app that will help government officials to track suspected COVID-19 cases in the state. The app will use smartphone-based location services, and it will be used to geofence the individual as India fights to prevent the COVID-19 pandemic from reaching a community or transmission stage. This is Mahakavach. देश की सुरक्षा अब हमारे हाथ में. This one is eighth one. These are the some best apps tracking coronavirus update. These are the some best apps tracking coronavirus update. Since the first case of COVID-19 was identified in Wuhan, China in December 2019, these are the some smartphone apps which help us to aware, prevent or defend the COVID-19 or corona, the pandemic disease. This disease has spread across the world as per the World Health Organization. COVID-19 has so far affected 216 countries or territories or areas and has infected over 6 million people globally. Till now we see the world's top 10 smartphone apps and the India's top most smartphone apps so prevent and aware about this corona pandemic. And now we are going to see, and I'm going to present the best maps or tracking coronavirus updates. Correct? The best websites tracking coronavirus updates. The first website is WHO, World Health Organization. WHO Situation Dashboard is the website. It provides the latest updates on novel coronavirus outbreak. These include updated numbers and infected people, deaths, updated countries, and other related data regarding the COVID-19 outbreak. It belongs to WHO Situation Dashboard. This is the first popular website. And second one is Tracking COVID-19 by Heri Technologies, Here Technologies. This app created by Heri or Here Technologies shows the near or real-time status based on data from the Center for Systems Science, Center for System Science and Engineering, CSSE, and Johns Hopkins University and DXY. This is Tracking COVID-19 by Here Technologies website. And third one is the Esri Story Maps. The Esri Story Maps we call as. The mapping the novel coronavirus outbreak is a story map project from Esri. As we with the Esri Story Maps, the presentation is a form of narrative of what is COVID-19, how the disease spread, and previous similar cases reported. This is Esri Story Maps. This one is the third one. And next one is Johns Hopkins University website. The map called Coronavirus COVID-19 Global Cases by the Center for Systems Science and Engineering CSSE and Johns Hopkins University JHU was the first to come out. Since the website relies upon publicly available data from the multiple sources, the statistics may not be absolutely accurate. But this is the accurate website. We are collecting data. This is the Johns Hopkins University website. And next one is Microsoft COVID-19 Tracker. The Microsoft Bing website is accessible at bing.com/COVID and provides up-to-date infection statistics for each country. The COVID-19 tracker is interactive map which allows site visitors to click on the country to see the specific numbers of cases and related articles from variety of publications. This is Microsoft COVID-19 tracker website. And next one is Google's Project Baseline. The Project Baseline COVID-19 website from Google and Verily. It is the health checkup website that gives information to visitors on nearby testing sites for those possibly affiliated with COVID-19. This is Google Project Baseline website. And next one is Tangle COVID-19 live displays website. The Tangle social media analytical platform launched the COVID-19 live display hub. This hub to make it easy for public to see what content is being shared on social media about coronavirus outbreak. This is Tangle COVID-19 live displays website. And next one is Health Map. The Health Map initiative comes from the program affiliated with the non-profit Botson Children's Hospital that monitors infectious diseases. The digital map uses artificial intelligence to track the spread of novel coronavirus in real time. This is Health Map website. And next one is University of Washington. The novel coronavirus infection app come from Humanistic GIS Laboratory of the University of Washington, which is working in the area to explore innovative methodologies to improve geospatial technologies with the consideration of human experience. This is from University of Washington. And next one is University of Virginia. The COVID-19 surveillance dashboard. This is the website. This website from the University of Virginia also gives a time slider to track timeline for the progress of the disease since January 22nd, 2020. There are different tabs to track for active, confirmed, recovered and deaths. The website claims to use the number of open database. This is University of Virginia website. And next one is Center of Disease Control and Prevention. The coronavirus disease 2019 in the US, United States. This is the website from the CDC, means the Corona Disease Control, the CDC. It provides the US government data of the outbreak in the United States. The data includes both confirmed and presumptive positive cases of COVID-19. This is from CDC, or Center of Disease Control and Prevention from US. And next one is KFF Tracker, the COVID-19 coronavirus tracker from Kaiser Family Foundation. This is the KFF Tracker. This Kaiser Family Foundation from San Francisco headquartered non-profit organization that works in the area of providing independent information of health issues in the United States, provides the number of cases and deaths from novel coronavirus. And these are the some websites. These websites bring data to everyone, each and everyone from the around the world or any corner of the world. We are getting the database from the website. These are the best website relating to COVID-19 pandemic. And these smartphone apps and the websites are helping us to know the pandemic coronavirus, where the state is, which state it is from. And next one is drones, the technological point of view, the drones. Drones are also used to track and monitor the movements of suspected as well as infected cases. It also used for policing to control the assembly of MOBs. It also used for policing to control the assembly of mobs or crowds to implement the curfew effectively. This is drone. Okay. Next technical part as technology is drone. We are all known about these drones. With India under lockdown, to stem the spread of coronavirus, drones are the providing to be crucial tool in the functioning and law enforcement authorities and other government agencies which are deploying these unnamed aerial vehicles for carrying out surveillance and sanitization and to reach out the people, minimizing the risk of infection for their personnel. It is fair assume that more than 20,000 drones registered with the government, about 450 to 500 drones are already being used all across India. This is the drone. And these drones are also used to track and monitor the movements of suspected as well as infected cases. It is also used for policing to control the assembly of mobs or crowds to implement the curfew activity. This is drone. And next one is, apart from the medical services, the technology or anything, it also used for welfare activities such as online education. We are doing this webinar. This is also an online education platform, and e-learning resources, awareness campaign through any social media, WhatsApp, TikTok, Facebook, or any other social medias, online shopping, food delivery, medicine delivery, groceries delivery. These are the online shopping relating to deliveries, to home deliveries, the doorstep deliveries, and hygiene food and the cleanliness. With all these technical, apart from the technical, we are with the family. This is the corona effect also. This is we call corona effect also. And last part of my presentation, apart from the medical services, technology also used for welfare activities. We see some such applications, some help services and all. And now I am going to conclude the webinar session. The conclusion part. Apps for interaction and proximity analysis. And next one is enforcement tools. And third one is monitoring location and interaction. Today, the frontline warriors and heroes of the nation are doctors, medical staff, local police and private security guards, media people, volunteers. In Karnataka, Asha Karyakartes, these are the best volunteers helping the corona pandemic, and garbage collectors also. That is called known as Paura Karmikas. The technologies like artificial intelligence, websites, applications, smartphone applications, big data, GIS, and mapping, location technology, and autonomous machines are playing a growing role in responding to COVID-19 pandemic. And I would like to conclude my talk with special thanks to all the engineer, countries, uh, NGO, and all others who have developed the apps and website to fight against this COVID-19 pandemic. I would also thank Marathawada Shikshak Prakashak Mandals, RB Attal, Science, Commerce and Arts College, Jeorai, Bhi, for giving me this wonderful opportunity to present my views in this national webinar. Thank you. Thank you one and all.